How to set a preferred SIM for mobile data to use SIM 1 or SIM 2 eSIM on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. Then we go down and tap on SIM manager. After that, scroll down to the preferred SIMs section and tap on mobile data. From here, you can choose between SIM 1, SIM 2, eSIM or off. So here I will select, I will set my phone to use my SIM 2, the eSIM for mobile data. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.